Non-attachment. Even this moment when you don't know what to write and you do it anyway, letting go of your perceived ideas of what the answer might be is non-attachment. As you can see, an answer is always coming through. Of course, there are many answers, but for you, this is the one. That moment when you question whether this is working or not, your intuitive writing. If I speak through you as well as expecting that something amazingly enlightened will come through. You see, that's why non-attachment has a lot to do with faith in life, in God. You have faith that the message in this case, or whatever is the object of your desire, will come through if it's in your best and highest good. The last part is important because you desire it, but you're also willing to not have it if it's not in your best and highest good. Non-attachment also has to do with gratitude. In order for you to be able to let go of something you desire, you must be anchored in the acceptance and, most importantly, gratitude of what is. What you have, who you are now. Gratitude in this case also works closely with faith, that everything is what God planned and it is in your highest and best good. Non-attachment also has to do with surrender. Surrender is an interesting one, as it takes power from gratitude and faith, and it is an offering of whatever expectations you might have had, even desires and dreams, to the altar of love and life, to honor the present moment and God's plan. Expectations of how things should look in your life to make everything right and worth living. As you know, these expectations are related to the past, to resolve some wrongdoing, or to the future, to balance some wrongdoing. There is a thin line between expectations and desires and dreams. They can be undercover expectations in the realm of fantasy and fairy tales. We can explore this another time, but the aspect you can consider, though, to discern between expectations and desires, dreams that lead you to living your highest self, is if those have a quality of service to others and not only to yourself. So to discern between expectations and desires, or dreams that lead you to you living your highest self, if those have a quality of service to others and not only to yourself. Well, to conclude for now, as you can see, non-attachment, it is an interesting concept and stage of expansion that lives at the intertwining of faith, gratitude, and surrender. You are doing so well, my love, on your path. As you can see for yourself, you are exploring and integrating all of them on this path of non-attachment. I love you always. This is a tough one. doing to practice non-attachment is praying, actually. I'm praying to God to take away any desire that is not aligned with my highest good. And I pray for me to only desire what God wants for me. I pray for me to only desire what God wants for me. Hi, thank you for being here on this path to free love and love free. I wanted to let you know that if you want me to record a video on a specific topic, you can drop me a question in the comments down below or via email. You will find the email in the description of the videos. I see you.